Just rolled up on the car camping scene? Not to worry. Our campground kit has everything nature newbies need to start strong. The first half of this go-to beginner's kit is a rugged, reliable sleeping bag. Rated at 40 degrees with a silky poly shell and cozy cloud loft insulation. Its versatile rectangular shape means it's roomy for one, quickly zips together for two, or unzips to be used as a blanket on balmy nights. Pair your wilderness whoopee with its mate, a self-inflating sleeping pad for a soft landing after your day in the sun. And when it's time to pack up, both the bag and pad stow neatly in its shared stuff sack. The Campground Kit by Kelty. Geared up to get out in seconds flat.